WordPress plugins for event management solution. Complete set of features will help you create memorable events. Simply go to your WordPress website, click on the Evental plugin, and then click on Edit. Create and manage unlimited events, organize your category as per schedule, unlimited FAQ ad, unlimited schedule with speakers, multiple layout of events single or lists, event countdown timer, settings, backend style options, choose layout of single event. You can also choose layout event-wise, sidebar settings, display event styles. You can also choose style event-wise. Let's click on Event, and preview the event, as we have set up so far. Here purchase ticket, as you can see, increase and decrease in the number of total tickets. On the event list, see all the events preview on the page. In the setting panel under the event, you have to do some settings here. Keep all settings default in the shortcode, and search filter tab. The style tab here, as you can see some features here, nothing else to change here, but you can change according to your need. If you want to generate a PDF, so go to the Attendance tab, then click on the ticket to download the PDF. Here you can add or remove the website and social links. In the Settings tab, keep all the settings as default. Here you can set up organizer item style, shortcode, block settings. On the Speaker tab, in Navigation bar. Under the Speaker navigation bar, as you can see a list of events. Like Single Event 1, Single Event 2, Single Event 3. Click to see different event preview.